Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 11 out of my 24 days of DIY. So if you watched yesterday's video, we made a really cute, simple wreath out of these pine needles. And I couldn't buy these pine needles and only do one DIY with them. So we're doing another one today. Again, I went to Trader Joe's to get this. It came in a little bundle of these pine needles for $4. So super inexpensive. You can get one $4 bundle and do both the wreath video and this one. And this DIY today is probably going to be the easiest DIY out of all 24. It's seriously so simple. For today's video, we are going to make a hanging Christmas tree. So if you want something super cute and Christmassy on your wall, this one's for you. Like I said, this is probably going to be the easiest DIY that I do because you don't need very much. All you need is a stick or like a wood dowel. But yeah, I just got this stick from outside and this is what I'm going to use. And then some string, some scissors, and your pine needles. So the idea of this is we're going to cut and hang these pine needles in a way that when this is hanging on the wall, it has the shape of a little Christmas tree. And like I said in yesterday's video, this pack that I got at Trader Joe's is fun because it came with different variations of pine needles. I don't know the correct terms or names of all of them, but they're different textures, which is fun. I like that you can play with the different textures. But I really like these straight ones because I feel like when they hang like this, it kind of looks Christmas tree-ish. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough of them to do the whole tree. I might have to add in some of these kind, but we're gonna use mainly these, I'm thinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these off into little sections. So like this, and I wanna get a little bit of the stem in as well because I'm gonna need something to tie the string onto. Okay, so that was good. I was actually able to clip off quite a few of these. So I'm hoping this actually might be enough for the whole tree. Hopefully this is an okay angle that you can kind of see what I'm doing. But now I have all my little pine needle bunches, and before I do anything with my stick, I'm going to organize them on the table in a Christmas tree shape just so that I can visualize it, and then I'm going to tie some string onto each piece. So thinking about Christmas tree shape, I'm going to just put one at the top, and then probably 2, and then 3, and then 4, or however many that I have. But I just want to make that Christmas tree shape. So I'll start with 1, and then we'll do... Okay, can you see that? So I organized it into like a little Christmas tree shape. And now I'm going to cut my string and tie them onto each piece. And the length of your string just depends on where the piece is in relation to the Christmas tree. So like for this top piece, this is going to be the closest to my stick, so the string doesn't have to be that long. But then these bottom pieces, I'm going to need a longer string because it's at the bottom of the Christmas tree. So I'm just going to start with my top piece. Tie a little knot around it. All right, and now I'm going to center this in the center of my stick and tie it on. Ah, cute! And I'm just gonna cut the excess little string here. Yay, one done. Okay, so then I have the next 2 or 3, and I'm gonna make these strings a little bit longer, and I'm just gonna repeat this process all the way down until I have a full Christmas tree hanging from my stick. All right, here's the update so far. Oh, it's so cute and little. I love it. I've done the bottom row, but it's a little patchy, so I'm gonna just take a few more and just kind of fill in the holes, but I love it. I think it's so cute. I'm a big fan of just like simple holiday decor in general, if you can't tell. It just gives a cute little earthy moment to a little space on your wall. Oh, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna fill in my little holes that I have in it, and I think we'll be good to go. Now, if you want to add a little something on here, like little ornaments, you could do like cute little pom-poms again, like we did with the tassel Christmas tree. That'd be cute. Just hot glue little pom-poms on here, or I don't know, anything else that would be cute too, but I think I may just leave mine plain because I'm just a big fan of that. But I love it. Okay, the last thing we need to do is just cut some string to hang on our stick or wood dowel so that we can actually hang this on the wall. So I'm just going to cut one big long string and tie one end here and one end here, so then it'll make like a triangle shape so that we can hang it. Ah, I love it. Such a good way to just like use the scrap pieces of pine needles that you may have. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Maybe give you a little inspiration on what to do if you have any extra little clippings hanging around. Super simple DIY. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow with another DIY. Bye.